Learning to code can be one of the most rewarding skills you'll ever develop. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the basics of Python, one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages for beginners. First, let's get Python installed and set up your coding environment. If you prefer, you can use an online editor like Replit, which doesn't require any installation. Otherwise, download Python from python.org and install a code editor like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. Now, let's write your first Python program. Open your editor and type in this code. Print "Hello World." This simple line of code is your first step into the world of programming. When you run it, you'll see the words "Hello World" appear on your screen. Congratulations, you've just written your first program. Next, let's talk about variables and data types. In Python, variables are like containers for storing data. For example, you can store a number in a variable by writing age equals 25. Python supports different types of data, like integers, floats, and strings, which you'll use frequently. Moving on to loops and conditionals. These are essential for controlling the flow of your programs. A loop lets you repeat a block of code multiple times, while conditionals let you execute certain code only if specific conditions are met. For example, you can write a simple number guessing game using a loop and an if statement. Functions are another key concept. A function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. Defining functions helps you organize your code and make it reusable. For instance, you could write a function that adds two numbers and then use it anywhere in your code. As you continue to learn, it's important to practice regularly. Websites like Codecademy and LeetCode offer great exercises for beginners. Try building small projects like a to-do list or a simple calculator to apply what you've learned. Remember, consistency is key in learning to code. The more you code, the better you'll become. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Thanks for watching, and keep coding.